If you guys follow me through any puddle, I'm going super fucking slow.
Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, let's go!
Alright, gonna go fucking pick up Ricky, get this shit fucking started. It's a good fucking morning, a little fucking chilly, ain't it, bud?
Oh yeah, we got some snow last night. Just a wee bit of snow, but that's alright. You know, look at the sky and the sun right now. Sun's a shining, sky's a blue. Fucking good old Honda oil here. Good old Canada Honda.
Canada Honda.
What's up?
You ready for ripping or what?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you got your mask on, Ricky.
Yeah.
Doesn't want to catch no COVID in here, eh, boys? Ooh, should we pick up a little Pioneer or something? I don't know, maybe
old
a Honda
clutch pod?
Talon. Fucking start side by side and through all of them muddy trails, eh?
Take a fucking Odyssey out in the bush, bud.
Probably take your pull cord off and tighten that bitch.
Yeah, it's getting loose.
It
But it's
is,
weird, I
right?
never use it.
All right, boys. Good day to go for a rip again. We got Ricky ready to fucking ride. We got Gio.
What's up?
And myself. Let us know down below, have you guys ever used diesel to end up flushing the oil and the water out? Because I looked online and that's what I was told to do.
Sounds a little fucking.
You guys let us know down in the comments, eh?
Yeah, like, fucking comment. Let us know.
Throw my dick. See these 4-wheel tracks?
It's on Victor!
I pushed it once.
Oh yeah, you're good. The oil change was good. Right here, the rock hill climb.
This only worked for a minute. Did you hear me start a gun? If I went.
If you guys follow me through any puddle, I'm going super fucking slow.
Yo, wait, let's calculate where we're going here. Are we going, so we're going back out to the main trail, and then are we gonna go straight down it, or are we gonna, let's go like see that field real quick, maybe.
Ride, man.
Well, at the end.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I don't
Okay, are
wanna
we
go
leaving
back
now?
home right
Not
away,
necessarily.
guys.
I know, I want to go. I wish I just didn't have
follow.
to fucking load up. I wish we could just drive from here to my house.
I
I'll
promise
follow.
you, I
I'll
will
stay behind
help
him.
load up as much as I can.
I want the
'Cause
footage.
I never load up. I promise I'll help as much as I can.
They moved the rocks. That's all moved. You're not smoking at all. You should always try and have a little quart of oil in the back of your trunk.
I did, but remember we took it out last time?
Yeah, I'm just saying if you smoke, we should remember that.
Oh, okay.
Wipe it and then check it. Mine's actually showing that it doesn't have oil.
Oh no, I got oil, bud. I got full, look at that.
Yeah, lucky you, mine doesn't.
Oh no.
Yeah. Yo, Ricky! I don't have oil.
I'm stuck.
There we go, bud. We got you. Watch your back. It's gonna come right back at you.
I was trying to break it, but it didn't work out and it fell on me.
Yeah, I could see that.
Okay, we're leaving.
Yeah, I got no oil.
All right, let's go. I've never had it break from there.
Yo.
And I've never had it break from there. Never have I ever. I've broken 12 front ends. And never from there.
Holy fuck, boys. This one's crazy.
Man. This was fucked up. I saw this. I thought you were dead, bro.
We've broken so many front ends, but this is the first time I've ever seen a front end break from right here.
Yes, yeah. Fuck, man.
Boys and girls,
Wow.
I drive hard. Fuck me.
Damn. Yo, that's crazy. You got it on camera too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It hurt real bad.
Yeah, but you're okay at least?
Yeah,
like, you
my
don't look
hand
too
got
damaged?
smashed in between. You'll see it on camera.
Man, all I heard was the throttle stuck wide open. I thought it was him. I literally thought it was him. Cause he had the throttle stuck problem. But holy fuck.
Damn.
Alright, where's my phone? I gotta get a photo of this where it sits.
Oh man,
Alright, guys,
this is
back
not
up,
good.
Back up.
Just 1 second. Well, boys, that one was fucking crazy. We had a decent little ride today, you know. Hopefully still going for a ride tomorrow, but this is obviously gonna put a dent in the plans.
I have riding tomorrow. I have no front end.
How are we doing this?
I ain't buying no fucking $300 front end right now, boys and girls. Sorry. COVID prices are just out of the fucking question.
Yeah, tell me about it.
We're at the one.
Yo, we need some front ends.
No.
Help a YouTuber out. I need a front end. If anybody knows one, ship one to Andrew. Say it's for Ricky.
All right, well, You just send us a message on Instagram and I'll totally fucking accept any front ends for Ricky since we need one now. But boys, this is crazy.
Man.
Honestly, man, like you're good though at least.
160 Swiftly is sadly broken. Boys and girls, the Ricky Mobile is gone.
Don't worry though, this ain't gonna stop us. We're gonna keep riding. I got another 3-wheeler for you.
We're not stopping.
But it's just not mine.
Yeah.
Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Let's go.